A disgraced former police officer was before a Wayne County judge today, awaiting a sentence for an alleged assault that his own department kept hidden. And it stayed that way until the 7 investigators brought it to light, triggering criminal charges that landed Officer Damian Player in a Wayne County courtroom today. 7 investigator Ross Jones has the sentence the judge handed down and how the victim is reacting.
Versus Player, may I have appearances, please?
Damian Player is getting to know his way around a courtroom. For the second time in as many months, he stood before a judge today to be sentenced on an assault case from his time as a police officer.
Open the door now, you get paid. Open the door now.
Back in June, Player was sentenced over this 2023 traffic stop that we first revealed. While a Warren police officer, he was accused of assaulting a truck driver, repeatedly tasing the man after he briefly blocked traffic. The driver would be charged with nothing, and the city agreed to pay him a $400,000 settlement. Player pled no contest in that case and was sentenced to 45 days in the Macomb County Jail. Then today, before Judge Anne Marie McCarthy, Player was sentenced on another criminal case. This one happened 3 years earlier while he worked for Highland Park Police and was never shared with Warren PD when they hired him.
You gonna hit me with the door? Are you gonna tase me too?
According to Wayne County's prosecutor, Player would assault a man found loitering outside of a Highland Park restaurant. He was seen firing his taser while the man's back was turned, then took him to the ground, appearing to knock him unconscious.
Stay down.
No one, including Jeffrey Purnell, should be treated the way he was treated that day, especially someone who takes an oath to serve and protect people.
Player pleaded no contest to felonious assault and common law offenses, choosing not to speak today before he was sentenced. His lawyer said Player was remorseful.
He's learned a lot from these ordeals, Your Honor. He did serve the jail time in Macomb.
For this case, Judge McCarthy sentenced Player to 2 years probation in accordance with his plea agreement. She did so over the objection of his victim, who was in court today, but asked the prosecutor to read his victim impact statement.
He believes the defendant should receive jail time and that the sentence is a slap on the wrist, but at least he won't be able to do it again. He's already suffering from PTSD when this offense happened, and it made it become worse.
Well, Judge McCarthy said today that if Player violates his probation over the next 2 years, he will be sentenced to 9 months in the Wayne County Jail. He was also ordered to enroll in cognitive behavioral therapy, perform 40 hours of community service, and reimburse the victim for any medical costs he incurred. Player, as you might expect, is no longer in law enforcement. He said he is now working as a bartender at a restaurant. He declined comment leaving court today.
So hard to look at those 2 past videos that you've shown us before.
Well, and very similar, and because one department kept one hidden, it allowed another department to hire him and repeat history, and this didn't have to happen.
Even more evidence for the need for transparency.
Absolutely.
For sure.
But now he's a bartender and can't do it anymore.
Yes, he is.
All right. Thanks, Ross.